Okay, so our research project was to find out the relationship between the theory of relativity and the first nuclear bomb.
Okay, so we're going to talk about the equation E equals mc squared, which was discovered by Einstein. And E is energy, and m is mass, and c equals 300 million meters per second. And this equation is important because it showed the relationship between energy and mass.
Okay, so another reason that this equation was extremely important was because it led to the background of how we made the nuclear bomb. Alright, so the nuclear bomb was developed by the US, and they used a substance called plutonium, which was a derivative of uranium. And uranium was already being worked on a little bit before we found out that plutonium would work in a nuclear radioactive way. So how the bomb worked was, first you had the outer shell, and then there was TNT on the outside. Alright, and on the inside, we have two shells of plutonium. Alright, and when the bomb started, what happened was the TNT on the outside would explode, so, give a nice little explosion. And the shells of plutonium on the inside would smash together at extremely high speeds. Okay, so when that happened, two neutron atoms would collide at extremely high rates, and splitting both of the atoms, releasing an extreme amount of energy. And this would pretty much create a mushroom cloud, like my partner has drawn. And that's pretty much how the nuclear bomb worked. And the reason that they created it was during World War II, and the U.S. was the first to use it on the cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki in Japan, which ended the Second World War.
Okay. Very good. Although Einstein created this equation, E equals mc squared, he didn't mean to develop it as a weapon. And although he didn't intend for it to create a nuclear bomb, he still came up with the equation E equals mc squared, which is probably one of the greatest scientific developments ever.